Good morning, students. Today we'll see the experiment which is related with chromatography. Experiment number 6.3. This is the aim of experiment to separate CO2 plus and Ni2 plus ions present in the given mixture by using ascending paper chromatography and determine their RF values. So here instead of CO2 plus and Ni2 plus ion mixture, here I have taken Ca2 plus and Fe2 plus ion mixture. So what are the apparatus required for this? Apparatus and chemicals for this experiment are, so this is the solution of CO2 plus and Fe2 plus. This is the capillary tube. This is gas jar, and this is the chromatography paper, that is Whatman filter paper. So here we need to mark the line from 2 cm from the bottom. So from bottom here at 2 cm I have drawn the line with the help of pencil, and here we need to put the drop of this solution with the help of capillary at the center on this chromatographic paper. Allow it to dry and again put one more point. Now we have to dip this chromatographic paper in this gas jar. In this gas jar we have taken 50% ethanol, that is equal amount of ethanol and water, and now we are going to dip this in such a way that the solvent should not touch this point. Okay, means this drop, it should be above this solvent. In such a way we have to insert that. So in this way we have to suspend that paper. So this drop, you can see it has risen because of this solvent. So you can see the two drops, one is pink drop and one is yellow drop. So here you can see I have removed this paper from that gas jar. So you can see at this much distance the solvent has risen. So here we will mark with the help of pencil, put a line. Okay, so this is known as baseline and this is known as solvent front. Means now we will measure the distance of this line from this baseline. So this is known as solvent front. And here you can see this is the red spot which is of cobalt ion. So mark here also. And till this the yellow color has risen. So mark here also. Now we will measure the distance from baseline to this point. So this is the distance travelled by Fe2 plus, and this is the pink point. So we will measure this distance till this one. So this is the distance travelled by CO2 plus ion. So here I have taken this sodium sulfide mixture so that these points will be visible properly. So now I am going to dip this in this so that we can see the points properly. Okay, so here you can see the points are visible properly. Okay, so this is the center of this point and this is the center of this blue, yellow point. So I have marked already, but now we will measure the distance. So now we one front. So this is the line till which solvent moved. So this distance is 7.4. Okay. See the observation. So yellow point represents Fe2 plus ion and pink point represents CO2 plus ion, as we have taken the mixture of CO2 plus and Fe2 plus. So now distance travelled by solvent, it is 7.4 centimeter. So I have written here 7.4 centimeter Here also it will remain same, 7.4 centimeter. Now we will measure the distance of baseline till pink color spot. So it is 4.7. So pink color spot from baseline it is at 4.7 meter. And now we'll measure the yellow color spot from baseline. So it is 1.3. It is 1.3 centimeter. Now we will find out RF factor. So it is equal to A upon X, that is 1.3 upon 7.4 A upon X. So it will be 1.3 upon 7.4 and B upon X. So it will be 4.7 upon 7.4. So now here I will write the calculation.